hi there. You caught me in the midst of my meal prep. What am I making, you ask? Come along with me as we embark on a journey of herbal culinary delights. You have probably heard about chia pudding. It's been in the limelight of the snack world for a little while now. Its reputation is pretty well earned. It's chock full of antioxidants, omegas, and dietary fiber. So, if you can get down with the texture, you have found yourself a powerful breakfast ally. It's also really nice and gentle on the stomach. So for this recipe variation, I'm gonna add a little bit of extra energy and nervous system support in the form of maca root powder and ashwagandha root powder. Ashwagandha and maca are both considered adaptogens, and they can help support vitality, stamina, and cognitive function. Super good things to start the day with. First, I'm gonna mix my powders and my liquids together to form the pudding base. So first is a half cup of oat milk. I like to use the barista version because it's a little creamier. Next is gonna be 1 tablespoon of agave syrup. So next is gonna be 1 teaspoon of maca powder. So that one gets really clumpy. And then it's gonna be half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Very good. A 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. And I'm also gonna add a pinch of cinnamon powder and sea salt. I really like the way that cinnamon goes with the flavors of maca and ashwagandha. So everything is nicely blended here. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds while stirring to prevent clumping. So pretty much pudding is now in process. I'm gonna let this mixture sit for about 30 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and stir it like every 10 minutes or so just to make sure that there are no chia seed clumps. All right, my chia seeds are starting to congeal. Pudding is happening. I'm gonna seal my jar and stick this baby in the fridge so it's all ready for me tomorrow morning. Technically, chia seed pudding doesn't need to sit overnight, but I would give it at least 3 hours to thicken up all the way before you eat it. So for this one, I like to add a little bit of granola, and banana tastes really good with the cinnamon and all that. So I'm just gonna stick that in there, and that's it. So this recipe makes about 3/4 of a cup. Obviously you can double or triple that if you want more pudding. Check out blog.mountainroseherbs.com for the complete recipe and some pro tips.